hunter, filthy Frank. Anime hunter, filthy Frank.
He's calling the birds. Nature's
Hey there, young explorers and adventure nature lovers alike. We're at the Jones Bike Trail, and it's like an amusement park full of nature and trees. The trees are clumped together as this. We are gonna go show you a nature walk of it.
Yeah.
I'm here with my buddy here, Trey.
Hi.
Oh, my name's Billy. Let's go. Come on, we're gonna show you the rules of safety on the regulations of the trail. Oh, okay, so first rule, stay on the path. We need to stay on the path because if we don't, we could get hurt, and that's not really good. We have to explain to our families why we're dead. Number two, stay out of the creek. You don't want to drown, especially in this freezing weather and the cold. How you doing? Cool. So, stay out of the creek. If the water's rising because it's raining, I'm freezing. If we go in the water, we might drown, and we also have to explain to our families where we went.
It's cold.
Yeah.
Sometimes nature can be cold, kids. That's why you have to wear your proper gear. Cold.
Dude, and if we spit, just zoom in. Are you filming?
Yeah.
We think we found a wild animal and a grass bird. A grass bird. It might be up in the tree.
Well, Billy, that's a tree.
I know, but up there could be wild antelope in the forest.
That's just a tree, man.
Rodney, you don't know what you're talking about.
Now,
this is a trash can. It's natural habitat. You throw trash in it. Don't litter.
It's like
It's green. I think it's grass. Eat it. Eat it, Billy.
It kind of reminds me of SpongeBob, only sad. He's green like me.
Oh, there it is. Look. Moss.
Hi there.
Hi.
I would like to know what your favorite part of nature is.
My favorite part is the trees. Especially in the rain, you can smell the different kinds of trees.
That is true.
What a beaut.
How neat. Just be like, yeah, the trees are really beautiful. Yeah, like totally serious.
Those are trees. God, it's raining. It's still raining.
It's cold.
Billy, hurry up and we can go home.
Okay. Wait, hold on.
What?
Follow me. Look, there's some civilization. We'll actually get some food and live for the night.
Nature! Why did we do this? Why did we? No.
you know, I would give you guys some of this pizza, but network doesn't want me to share with the needy.
Hey there. This creek has been around since the dinosaurs, millennials lived. It's very cold. You don't go in it. But ducks, the mallards, the wildebeest go in it. Lots of bodies are in. The creek is cold.
Don't say that. No one's supposed to know. No, cut that! Cut that!
Nope. The network is gonna hear about this.
Let's kill him. Putting your body in the river, boy.
Alright, and we're good. Let's go home.
Hey guys, So, successful nature walk video?
Dude, it's raining. It's cold. We've been defeated. I want to go home.
This is the face of a man. There's nothing left. Hey, thanks guys for tuning in on PBS's sponsored Nature Walk. I'm your host, Billy Bass.
And I'm Trey.
Thanks.
Bye.
Wait, where are you going? Wait!
I'm their ride.